Most people think building a website requires coding or hiring expensive developers. But here's the surprising truth. Mozello makes website creation simple, even for beginners. Today, I'm giving you an honest review before you use it. Mozello is a website builder that focuses on ease of use and affordability. You can create websites for blogs, small businesses, online stores, and portfolios without any technical knowledge. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and templates are ready to use. Most people get this wrong by assuming all website builders offer unlimited customization. Mozello is beginner-friendly, but slightly limited in design flexibility compared to larger platforms. You can customize layouts, colors, and fonts, but advanced CSS or complex features may require workarounds. You won't believe what happens next. Mozello supports multilingual websites. You can easily create content in multiple languages, which is rare for budget-friendly website builders. It also allows simple e-commerce setup with product listings, payment options, and order tracking. Pricing is another strong point. Mozello offers a free plan with basic features, and paid plans unlock more storage, domain options, and online store functionality. It's an affordable choice for small businesses and personal websites. Now the downsides. The template library is smaller than competitors like Wix or Squarespace. SEO tools are basic, so serious marketers may need additional support. E-commerce capabilities are suitable for small shops, but large online stores may find it limited. The surprising truth about Mozello is that it's designed for simplicity, speed, and multilingual functionality. If your goal is a simple, professional site without the learning curve, it's a solid choice. So who should use Mozello? Small business owners, freelancers, bloggers, and anyone who wants a simple, multilingual website at an affordable price. Advanced developers or large online stores may prefer more robust platforms. If this review helped you understand Mozello, subscribe for more honest website builder reviews before starting your next site.